Let's dig into some of the questions that you unpack in especially edition 3 of this book. Let's start just with the typical VC investment process. Could you describe to us the typical process that you see and why it's important for founders to understand the process?
So in the book, there's a metaphor I use, and it's about dating. Some people have sort of views on that as a metaphor, but I do think it's a good one because dating is an example of something where you get first impressions. And if you get the first impression wrong, it's very hard to recover, right? And so when you're going fundraising, a challenge is how do you make sure your first impression is the best impression? And so part of a book like the Fundraising Field Guide is to help you understand the elements of a first impression when you speak to an investor. Everything from how you communicate to how you reach out to how you structure your round or the process itself and what you say and you shouldn't say. And all those little questions are things that I wanted to unpack because ultimately what I'd love for the reader to take away is how to think about what is a first impression with an investor and how even little things that you do in advance of a meeting can lead up to and set you up for a very good first impression.